Hello, everyone. This is Tina from Tina's Workshop, and my Paradise Fibers bi-monthly club just came in the mail today, and I am so excited. And look at this Christmas. Oh my gosh. I love Christmas. Love Christmas. My favorite holiday. You know, I just can't help it. Only bummer is, look, there's a hole here and there's a little hole here. So I'm hoping we didn't lose anything in transit, but we're going to find out what's in here. So if you don't want to know, then come back and watch this video later. But otherwise, it is time for our Paradise Fibers unboxing. Make sure, like, subscribe, do all those YouTube-y things. And if you are interested in one of these, I am affiliated with Paradise Fibers. So down below, there's an affiliate link and there is a discount code. So make sure and use it. Okay, let's get into this. I might as well just use the holes that are already there. Find out what's in here. Ooh. Just gonna pull it all out so we don't keep making crinkle noises. Okay, let's see. Which side? Cozy winter vibes and woolly surprises. Teacup tweed, 8 ounces. That's in the blue one. Ooh. This is going to be a blue and white Christmas, which is fun. I love traditional Christmas, but my second favorite Christmas theme is the blue and white. I'm sorry, I'm not a big one that's like into the pink and the candy stuff, but you know, you guys know I'm not into pink and purple anyway, so. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what it is. Teacup tweed, 8 ounces, a swirling snowstorm in fiber form. This South American wool is dyed the dreamiest winter blue and sprinkled with tiny blue viscous snowflake flecks. It drafts smoothly, spins happily, and folds beautifully. Perfect for felted slippers, sturdy mittens, or a snuggly hat. Those little tweedy flecks add just the right pop of festive texture. Spin tips. Try a low twist single finished with a good fulling for felted slippers. Preferred definition, spin worsted, and 2-ply for crisp stitch texture that lets the tweed shine. Okay. So it's a South American wool. It doesn't say like the exact wool, unless that's the breed, South American wool, but it says South American wool. Okay, let's see what the other one is. Okay, the other one is in a white bag and it's 11 ounces. Let's see if I can say this. Charolies. Ooh, I knew I'm not saying that right. Come on, focus. There we go. By popular request, a unique breed to explore. That name, a French sheep breed, produces a naturally white fleece that drinks up dye and blooms after washing. At around 28 to 30 microns, it's not merino soft, but it's wonderfully smooth and strong, ideal for outerwear, sweaters, hats, mittens, and durable woven pieces. Why you'll love it? Takes color evenly, great for dye play before or after spinning. Finishes with a gentle bloom that softens the hand and evens your stitches, and versatile long draw for airy warmth or worsted draw for sturdy wear. I love trying new breeds, and I'm going to do a breed study before long. I have 2 different sets. One is different things I've gotten from like Paradise Fibers and stuff, and then the other one, I actually have these little baggies of raw fleece that still needs scoured and everything. So I want to do a breed study, and it might end up being 2 videos, or it might just be 1 video. I don't know for sure yet, but I'll have to add a little piece of this in because I don't have any of this. Ooh, okay, so here's your color. And it does have a little bit rougher texture, kind of similar to the Jacob fleece maybe, but it's not super prickly. It's really nice. Oh, it still smells sheepy. Oh, I love it. I kind of want to do something that would utilize like both of them together. But then the fact that they said this takes dye really well makes me want to do something that would use the dye. So I don't know. I know I'm not going to be able to really play with it until we get moved. So that'll give me a little time to think about it. But I mean, that's quite a bit. You've got 11 ounces and 8 ounces. You could definitely do something good with this. Let's see if they give you any ideas, because a lot of times they do. Quick start ideas. Felted slippers with the teacup tweed. A winter set with the white. 2-ply worsted spin for a beanie and mitts that hold their shape and wear well. Except that I don't wear that kind of stuff, right? Woven scarf, and I don't do much weaving yet, but it would still be beautiful. Both fibers bloom after a warm soak. Give your skeins a gentle wash and snap drying to set the twist and enhance softness. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to have to think about that one. Let's see what extras we got. So we always get great extras with this. And I think I just dropped it because you guys know I'm always dropping things. Oh, there we go. Another little blue pouch. And we have our Eunice sticker. And oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. Look at that sticker. Oh, and it goes great with the yarn too. Oh, that's so cute. Designed by our own niece, Suni, an art student with big talent. We're thrilled to feature her work in this box and future ones. Oh my gosh, that makes it so much better. It's not like an AI thing or something. Being an art major, being a fiber artist and everything, I'm very anti-AI. There's certain things that technology is great for, but there's other things that I think just takes away from the talent that people have. And this is a perfect example. I mean, that is so cute. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. Paradise Fibers, A+ on that sticker, I tell you. Okay, let's see. We also have a Katrinkles Stitch Your Own Sheep Ornament. Stitch the wool with your own hand spun for a keepsake or thoughtful gift. Oop, I dropped again. There's your little sheep. It looks like there was, oh, they show kind of an example of how you would stitch it. Okay, I'm kind of glad that's there because I was like, huh? So they've actually stitched all the way over it. So you're creating the body of the sheep. Oh, that's cute. That's super cute. And then there's a little thing in the back for hanging it. A little tea time. Sip something soothing while you spin, and a sorted tea is tucked in just for you. They always add tea, and I love it. And that's what I dropped. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Stash tea, of course. Maple apple cider. Yummy. My husband bought me some spiced apple cider yesterday. So good. That will be yummy. Definite. That is a wonderful, let's see. Warm Woolly Wishes, Sarah and Travis, Willie, and the Paradise team. So thank you to all of you because this is a wonderful package. If you guys have not gotten Paradise Fibers yet, their packages are wonderful. And they used to be once a month. They're now once every other month. But by doing that, they give you more fleece in it. And that's really nice because you have, I mean, look, you can do a really nice project with this. And before they still gave you a great amount, but I mean, you get this, it's well worth the money. And I'm not just saying that because I'm affiliated with them. It's well worth the money, and it's such an amazing surprise. I love it when it comes in the mail. It's this little Christmas gift every other month of the year. It's so much fun to get that little surprise, and knowing that, okay, you know you're going to get some sort of fleece in it. You know you usually get tea and a sticker, but you don't know what it is. You don't know what this is going to be, and you don't know what other little surprise they're going to put in there. I'm just saying, I really, really enjoy getting this, and I have way too much fleece. I've been sitting here packing, and I keep going and buying more totes to put all my fleece, the yarn I've spun, the yarn I've bought, because I want it all in plastic totes. And I have so much of it, and I'm looking, I'm going, okay, I need to stop buying because I have so much. But even saying that, I am not stopping this, because this is just, and you guys know I was doing Into the World too, and I really like them too. But I'm like, if I have to pick just one, sorry, Into the World, you guys are amazing too. But if I'm picking just one, it's Paradise Fibers. I'm sorry. I love it. So anyway, go get your own. It'll be another 2 months before the next one comes out, but ask for it as a Christmas gift. But make sure and use my link. And I appreciate all of you who have been using my link. It really, really makes a difference, because that is literally the only form of income I have coming in from this channel at the moment, because the watch hours are not there. Don't know why. You guys are amazing. I have amazing subscribers, but my watch hours aren't there. So I'm not making any money from this channel at all, except for what I get from Paradise Fibers. And there is a cat trying to climb the window. I don't know what she's doing. What are you doing, honey? So yes, please use my link. And when you, and you, some of you have heard me say this before, when you're using links like that, if you go on and then you click for like, speaking of honey, you click that little honey app. As soon as you do that, even if they don't find you any codes, they get the credit for the sale. And whoever you've clicked on no longer gets it. So just letting you know that. But anyway, that is Paradise Fibers for November, and it's amazing. And so the next one will probably be January. That's my main thing for this week. I have been doing a lot of packing, and so this is going to be your video for this week. So I will wait. I am filming this on Thursday. My package came in today. This will go up on Saturday. And since I'm only doing this, I figure right here at the end, I'll give you a little peek of what I have been working on this week. And you guys have seen the sock I've been doing, and I finished the one sock. I still have to start the other one, but I literally just finished it before I started recording. I was right here last time I showed you, so I finished that off. I've got all my little markers so I could do my next sock the same. And hey, look, it matches me. So one sock done, another one to start. This is the one that I carry in my purse, in my little Barley Pearls bag. This stays in my purse, gives me something to do if I'm in the car, riding passenger, of course, sitting in a restaurant, whatever. I work on this. So one sock done, need to start the next one. So now I have 2 socks that are half done. I have my vanilla bean sock that I have one done, and I have this one that I have one done. And then the only other thing I've been working on, I haven't even been working on my blanket that I really want to work on, but I've been trying to get this stocking done, and I am working away. And sorry, hold on. Sorry about that. Wasn't that a fun sound though? My son, when he was younger, he loved that movie Robots, or not Robots, I'm sorry, Meet the Robinsons. He loved Meet the Robinsons, and that sound just reminds me of when they're flying through the future town. I don't know. So okay, back to what I'm doing. So here's the stocking I've been working on. And so there's one side. Here's the other side. So we're getting a little bit further. I still have this much more to do in the pattern section. And then I can do my heel turn and finish off the stocking. So, and I've been, hello ranch, I've been carrying my floats on the back, and it's a lot more that's there, but honestly, where I am working with so many different colors across this whole thing, if I didn't do that, I would have 3 sections of red, which would be 2 more yarn tails. So it actually has been kind of nice to not have all those extra yarn tails. And since I've been using Carrie Craft Geek's tip on carrying your floats, it's been working really nice. I mean, you can see I'm about every 4 stitches, I grab my float, and that's not focusing very well. There we go. So it's been working up pretty nice. And so, yeah, so that's where I'm at with that, trying to get that completed. And then I do have another one to do. So we'll see how that goes. But that is where I'm at this week with my projects and Paradise Fibers. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure and click like and subscribe, notify. Remember to use the affiliate link and coupon code if you would like to purchase the Paradise Fibers box or anything else from Paradise Fibers. It works on any of the stuff from Paradise Fibers. So make sure and do that. And I hope you guys all have an amazing weekend, amazing next week, and we'll see y'all again soon. Bye.